Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can insert a video into a cell phone screen in CapCut Mobile. So open the CapCut apps and create new projects and select a from library. Okay, add a cell phone screen video overlay and I use from the library. So look for the one with the cell phone. For example, this one. I'm going to choose this one and just click add. Okay, you can add the main video. Just click add icon here and select your video that you want to edit. And for example, I am going to use this video that I made from screen recorder and make the green screen video as an overlay. Okay, click the video and select overlay. Okay, so remove the green screen. Just click remove background and select chroma key, select color picker and select the green screen. Adjust for the intensity. Okay, and then shadow. Just click check mark. So for the main video, you're just going to click and adjust it. You can rotate and adjust its position like this. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, that's how you can insert a video into cell phone screen in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching.